Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently BitTorrent has broken out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, it has pumped very well. But so far, it is not able to break out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 108 and goes to $0.0000115 and still struggling to break it out. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously here for several weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance, this resistance zone from 108 to 115 from the month of May 2022 up till the month of August 2022. Then we got very, very powerful rejection. And after that, for a while, we broke it out here, but the price then got rejected by this next resistance of 156 that was previously working as a support here. And now it is working as a resistance. And now, again, it is struggling to break out this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern that has happened on this 7 days time frame chart. And from this low to this high, you can see that it has pumped almost 363%. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared a few days ago on 11th of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 25% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared on 11th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that BitTorrent formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. Then again drop down, then we had a bigger pump. And this was almost 25% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of BitTorrent, and this is the weekly. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that since after 10th of December, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Finally, we formed a double bottom here at this supportive point, $00000077. And after the formation of this double bottom, the price then finally broke out the resistance of the wedge. And right now, it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 108 and goes to 115. And after breaking out this resistance zone, I'm expecting an imminent move to the next major resistance here at 156. That is almost the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this 156 was working as a support here. Therefore, again, it is working as a resistance after this breakdown. You can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejection here. And again, price end will need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $0.0000250. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.